of the indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB, Nnamdi Kanu has asked the United Nations, government of the United States of America and United Kingdom to send representatives to witness the 7 counts amended charge preferred against him and pending at the Federal High Court Abuja Division due to continue on 18th, 19th and 20th of January 2022. In June 2021, the IPOB leader was arrested in Kenya and extradited to Nigeria to face treason charges. He was subsequently arraigned and brought before Binta Yanko, a judge of the Federal High Court in Abuja, who asked him to be remanded at the DSS custody. Kanu is facing charges bordering on treasonable felony instituted against him at the courts in response to his agitation for the Republic of Biafra. He was granted bail in April 2017 on health grounds but skipped bail after disregarding some of the conditions given to him by the court. On July 26, Justice Nyanko adjourned his trial till October 21, owing to the failure of the Nigerian government to produce him in court. On August 9, IPOB announced the enforcement of a lockdown every Monday until Kanu was released, but later suspended the directive a few days later. Ifeanyi Ejiofor, lead counsel to Kanu, in different letters dated January 11 to the UN, US and UK, asked them to send representatives to observe the proceedings of the court on the adjourned date. According to Ejiofor, the request is compelling in the circumstance to ensure that the whole process of our client's trial is fair and just in all circumstances. The counsel to the IPOB leader also asked the UN, UK and US to prevail over the Nigerian government to caution its security agents to exhibit a modicum of civility in their operations and refrain from harassing, intimidating and arresting innocent civilians who may throng the court premises on the said dates. One of the letters read, "We act as barristers and solicitors to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, hereinafter referred to as our clients. We write this letter to the Secretary General on behalf of our clients and with his consent and authority. May we respectfully notify the Secretary General that criminal proceedings in respect of the 7 counts amended charge preferred against our clients and pending at the Federal High Court Abuja Division are due to continue on the 18th, 19th and 20th of January 2022. In view of the foregoing, may we gratefully please request the Secretary General to send representatives of the United Nations to observe the proceedings of the courts on those adjourned dates and any other dates to which further proceedings in the cause may be adjourned until the matter is disposed of. The need to ensure that our client is given a fair trial has compelled us to make this request. The instant request is compelling in the circumstance to ensure that the whole process of our client's trial is fair and just in all circumstances. It must be remembered that his purported indictment on criminal charges as a political undercurrent. This fact impels all truly democratic instructions of the world to keep a close, watchful and attentive eye on the whole judicial process that has intervened to determine his culpability. The Nigerian government clearly has a profound interest in the criminal charge pending against our client and the outcome of his trial. The said government overreached itself by ensuring that our client was brought back to Nigeria by every means possible. Some leading members of the government have also made certain unsavory comments about our clients. For this reason, we view as compelling the need to invite representatives of true democratic institutions of the world to observe court proceedings in relation to his trial. Further, we will view the recent extrajudicial comments made by the President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria in a media that he had with two journalists about the pending trial of our client with circumspection. We firmly believe that the comments approximate to a taunt to forestall any undesirable consequence that may eventuate on it. We consider it a expedient that truly democratic institutions of the world send representatives to observe proceedings of the trial of our clients. We firmly believe that the presence of those representatives in court would make all parties toe the path of honor and rectitude and assure the fair trial of our clients. In view of the foregoing and anticipating the indulgence of the Secretary General, may we then respectfully request the Secretary General to forward to us the name of at least a representative to enable us formally notify the court of his expected presence in court on the adjourned dates. We also wish to use the opportunity to appeal to the United Nations to prevail on the Nigerian government to caution our security agents they should exhibit a modicum of civility in their operations and must refrain from harassing, intimidating, or arresting innocent citizens who may throng the court premises on the 18th, 19th, 20th of January 2022 in demonstration of their unwavering solidarity to our client. It is on record that these civilians who have remained devoted and steadfast in their commitments and solidarity have conducted themselves peacefully and in the most civil manner. It is also on record that notwithstanding the fact that these civilians have always been peaceful in their conduct and show of solidarity, the security agents have continued to harass, intimidate, and arrest them. Many of these persons so arrested are still languishing in various detention facilities in Nigeria. While thanking the Secretary General for the expeditious attention accorded to this request, may the Secretary General accept the assurance of our highest regards. Well, in my opinion, I just hope they are not going to adjourn it. Before you could say Jack Robinson that day now, they'll begin to tell you they've adjourned it to this. But since it's going to be 3 days consecutively, let's see what happens. At least if they adjourn today's zone, tomorrow on the 19th, I don't think they're going to do that, or on the 20th, or whether they're going to see adjourn it, because we know the games they are playing. I'm sure the lawyers are ever ready to defend Nnamdi Kanu in court. So guys, let's say your opinion and have your take.